Many people actually want to know whether they should buy iPad 11th generation or they should consider buying Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus. I think if you want a all-round performance from your iPad or tablet, in that case definitely consider iPad 11th generation, because the processor and the screen quality is better on iPad 11th generation than Tab S10 FE Plus. So you have to decide whether you want iOS or you want any Android tablet. That might be a personal preference, but I think iPad 11th generation is better than Tab S10 FE Plus in terms of every respect, be it display, be it portability or software updates, and also the most important thing is that the powerful processor is inside this iPad 11th generation. You will get a 16 Bionic chipset, whereas in Tab S10 FE Plus you will get Exynos 1580, which is not comparable to iPad's A16 Bionic chipset. After iPadOS 26.4.2, as you can see here, I have charged up to 100% on Monday and the time is around 12:36 p.m. So you can see that on Monday I got around 2 hours and 56 minutes, but you have to consider that you have to deduct 1 hour from this 2 hours and 56 seconds, and then on Tuesday I got around 3 hours, and today, that is 6th of May, I got around 3 hours. So 3 hours plus 3 hours plus 1 plus 2 hours, so easily I got around 8 hours SOT on a single charge. Though in previous update I was getting more battery backup, but in this update you can expect an SOT of 8 hours on a single charge, yet 14% battery is left, so you can expect decent battery life. But I think that it is draining faster because in these 3 days I haven't used the insert video editing app, only I have used the, as you can see here, YouTube. Okay, on Monday YouTube, and then on Tuesday I used YouTube, and then on Wednesday I used YouTube, and no other apps have been used during these 3 days. So I think this battery life should have been more. Apart from these things, one more thing that is irritating me, and that is the screen freezing. After 3 or 4 days the screen freezes and you cannot use this screen like this. You have to switch off the device and then switch on. After that it works perfectly fine, but after 3 days the screen freezes. I don't know what is the problem. Maybe the screen guard that I have used, that might be a problem for this screen freezing. So I will uninstall, or I will remove this screen guard, and then I will apply another screen guard. So if you are planning to buy iPad 11th generation in Sasa Lele sale or Amazon Great Summer sale, the best price for this iPad would be around 29 to maximum 30,000 rupees. Now let me know in the comment sections below if you are planning to buy iPad 11th generation or Tab S10 FE Plus. I think you should consider iPad 11th generation. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.